Good morning, guys! Today I'll be unboxing Venus Flytraps coming from Feisty Carnivore Plants PH from Manila. So this was sent last October 4 and I picked up at LBC main branch today, October 8th. So 4 days in the mail. Inside this box are Phalanx, Gold Strike, Red Piranha, and Flaming Lips. Gold Strike and Flaming Lips. Red Piranha and Phalanx. So I'll open Phalanx first. See this one. So this tissue paper is dripping, you see. Extra fluid from the tissue paper will kill the traps. So this is Phalanx. Next is Flaming Lips. This trap, this one, is touching the soaked tissue paper. As you notice, it is the only trap that went black. And this one, touching the tissue paper, started to go black also. This one, Flaming Lips. Next one is Gold Strike. Here is Gold Strike. As you notice, this is very small because this comes as a freebie. Gold Strike. Red Piranha. See guys, this plant is soaked, and I have seen already molds. This one here, this right here is a mold. This one, that white portion, that one, that's mold. I don't know why there's a grass in it. And there are roots coming out. This is not from the Venus Flytrap root, because the Venus Flytrap root is black. And see, you notice there are algae here, the green portion. Drenched in water because it's very green, and there are grass. I don't know why the grass is here, and roots sticking out, algae, and this white, that's mold. So Red Piranha with grass, Flaming Lips, Phalanx, and freebie Gold Strike. And the final outcome, the plants reduced considerably in size. Mostly maybe a third of it was taken off, while this fella over here, the Flaming Lips, she has a plantlet, a baby Flaming Lips, which I divided And let's see next month how this baby grows. And once again, I'll update you guys next month. Thanks for watching. Bye.